of AutoCAD. Present we want to model a boat. I go to change it to 3D view. Can't choose any isometric. Then I want to design my boat. I change my UCS. We go to the command line. I change my y-axis. That's my z-axis at the model specs. I go to cylinder. I click on cylinder. I want it to start at the orange 0, 0, 0 at the command line. Enter. You can see there. I choose a diameter of 2. Enter. I want it to have a distance of about 15. That is it. At this point in time, I want to remove the boat. I remove mine UCS to this point. I'll click on helix. Where is the helix? If you go through the command line to specify center point of the base, I will give it 0, 0, 0. My helix diameter, same thing about the boat. I can give it 2. The top radius, I need 2. I need to twist. The number of terms that I named, probably named large number of 8. And the height of the helix about 15. There you have the helix. Now you can see the helix. Then I move my UCX to this very point of the helix. Then I change my UCX to the position of the y-axis. Now I can draw my circle. Come here, click, and I give the diameter about 0.5. Then I go to we have all here. There you have loft. No, I don't need loft. I need reverb or I need sweep. I click on sweep. If you go to the command line, this is select object to sweep. I zoom to sweep this. Then this part to sweep around is this part. I click on it. You can see what happened. You might not necessarily see it until I decide to go to this view. You can see it now. Okay, I go to 2D wireframe. Now I want to move this inside the cylinder for us to have. I can decide to remove that part that from it. Now if I choose to remove that part that forms it, I will have. And now I'm going to decide to move. Now watch the move. I go to move. I click on move. Now you must see the center. See the object. I want to move everything. Now watch this. It must be at the center. Click on the center and I move it to this center. Now you can see it. Now that is exactly what I want, but you can actually do something for this by going to solid dating. You move subtract. The object I want to subtract is the cylinder. Subtract it from this. Then I have this. Okay, now I go back to my 2D wireframe. You can see it has already formed the groove and the pitch is already there. I go back to my center and I go to my polyline or a polygon and name the orthogonal shape axis. Its size, the center is 0, 0, 0. Scribe in a circle. Now you can see the position not like that, so you have to make your z-axis in the position of where So you go back, polygon, a size, yes. We need it at a position of 0, 0, described in a circle. Yep, then you have it. We can give the radius of 3. Then if you go back, you can see it, what we did. If you don't want this way, you can actually erase it and go back to have polygon X size, yes, center line. You have to make it 0, 0, center of polygon 0, 0, describe in a circle here. We're going to give it 2. The door not quite straight. You need to extrude to give it a thickness. You can select this. You can see the space or the space. This is the polygon, remember, that we drew. I'll repeat. Click on the polygon. Number size, I want this 8. Center line 0, 0, inscribe beyond. Let's take 3. Then I extrude. X. Let's get about this thickness. Now I've drawn my groove. If I go to the top view, this is my top view. You cannot see how to design a boat easy. If I remove my ECS so that you can see it very well. So with this, I've designed my boat. I've zoomed in. You've seen it. For reference 6, I really want to print it out so you see it more clearly. Select the size of my printer. And I want to see it in A4 size paper. I have my A4 size paper. Center my plot. And I go to it to see that extent right to get a view. With this, I've designed my boat. Which you understand this, and I hope you need more information. You can send me an email through nose_engr@yahoo.com. God bless you. Have a nice time.